Hey everyone, today let's talk about how to get a receipt from a Walmart online order. Stick around till the end to learn more. Let's dive in. To get your receipt, visit walmart.com link in the description and use your credentials to log into your account. Click on Account located in the upper right corner of your screen. Then select Purchase History. Enter the item or order number and select a duration. Navigate to the order whose receipt you want to get and click See Details. Print this receipt by pressing Ctrl+P on a Windows computer and Command-P on a Mac. Check the print details before clicking Print. If you don't have a Walmart account, you can still find your receipt using the Receipt Lookup tool. Here's how: visit walmart.com link in the description and enter the store location, purchase date, and the last 4 digits of your card. Next, enter the receipt total and complete the verification process. Click Look Up Receipt, then download or print your receipt. And there you have it. That's how to get your receipt from a Walmart online order. Thanks for watching. Until next time.